I'm sharing 5 insider secrets to make your YouTube videos unmissable. The first few seconds are make or break, so let's go. Secret has zone. Hook 'em hard. Grab attention immediately with a bold statement or a quick teaser. No fluff. Just boom. Secret hash 2. Keep the story flowing. Use seamless cuts, smart transitions, and pattern interrupts to keep your viewers hooked. Alright, let's unveil our third secret, and it's a game changer for standing out in 2024, supercharging your visuals with creativity and a little help from our new friend, AI. In the endless scroll of YouTube, your video has less than a second to grab someone's attention. Professional, eye-catching visuals aren't just a bonus. They are your first and most critical line of offense. This is a fundamental YouTube tip for boosting engagement from the very first impression. First, let's talk about your video's front door, the thumbnail. Think of it as a movie poster. It has to tell a story and create intrigue. This is where AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E become your secret weapon. You can generate dozens of unique, hyper-realistic, or wildly creative concepts in minutes, far beyond what you could find in stock photos. This allows you to create thumbnails that are not only visually stunning, but also perfectly tailored to your video's content, dramatically increasing your click-through rate, or CTR. A high CTR is a massive signal to the YouTube algorithm that your content is desirable, but it doesn't stop there. The magic continues inside your video. To keep viewers hooked, you need dynamic visuals. AI can help generate custom graphics, charts, and even animated sequences to illustrate your points, making complex information digestible and entertaining. Furthermore, consider your subtitles. We're moving beyond the default YouTube captions. AI-powered apps can now create bold, branded, and animated subtitles that pop off the screen just like you see with top creators. This is crucial for retaining the 85% of viewers who watch on mobile, often with the sound off. By leveraging AI for visuals from thumbnails to graphics to captions, you're not just making prettier videos. You're strategically enhancing key performance metrics. You're boosting CTR, increasing watch time, and improving overall audience engagement. These are the exact signals the YouTube algorithm is designed to look for, which directly translates to better video ranking and wider reach. This is how you turn your content creation process into a powerful engine for growth. Secret hash 4. Engage with your viewers. Ask questions, encourage comments, and remind them to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, let's unveil secret number 5, and this one is a game changer. Optimize for SEO and accessibility. Think of these as the 2 powerful engines that will carry your content to a wider audience. You can create the most amazing video in the world, but if nobody can find it, it's like a masterpiece hidden in a locked vault. We're going to give you the keys. First, let's talk SEO, or search engine optimization. Never forget that YouTube is the second largest search engine on the planet, right behind its parent company, Google. People are constantly searching for solutions, entertainment, and information. Your job is to make sure your video is the answer they find. This is fundamental to any successful content creation strategy. Your primary tools for this are your video's metadata. It starts with your title. Your title must be both compelling to a human and packed with the keywords a machine is looking for. Instead of my fun trip, try Ultimate 3-Day Travel Guide to Tokyo Vertical Bar Japan Travel Tips 2024. See the difference? You're telling both viewers and the YouTube algorithm exactly what to expect, which is crucial for your video ranking. Next is your description. This is prime real estate. The first 2 or 3 lines are critical as they appear in search results. Use them to hook the viewer and naturally include your main keywords. Below that, write a detailed summary of your video. What problems does it solve? What will viewers learn? This is another opportunity to give the algorithm more context. Now, let's pivot to the other side of this coin. Accessibility. Making your content accessible isn't just a nice thing to do. It's a powerful growth strategy. The cornerstone of YouTube accessibility is captions. YouTube automatically generates captions, but they are often riddled with errors. Taking 10 to 15 minutes to edit them for accuracy is one of the highest leverage YouTube tips I can offer. Why? First, you're serving the deaf and hard of hearing community. Second, you're catering to the massive audience, over 80% of viewers on mobile who watch videos with the sound off. Accurate captions lead to higher watch time and better engagement. And here's where it all comes together. When you have accurate, keyword-rich captions, you've just handed the YouTube algorithm a perfect word-for-word transcript of your entire video. The algorithm can now understand the nuances and context of your content on a much deeper level. This synergy between SEO and accessibility is what separates good creators from great ones. You're making your content discoverable by search engines and consumable by everyone, everywhere. That is how you truly optimize. And there you have it, 5 foundational secrets to creating truly engaging content. We've covered everything from deeply understanding your audience and crafting compelling stories to the importance of quality production and smart YouTube SEO for better video ranking. Ultimately, it all comes down to building a genuine community around your passion. Implementing these strategies is your key to sustainable growth. It's how you signal to the YouTube algorithm that your content is valuable, leading to better engagement and more visibility. This isn't about chasing a single viral hit. It's about building a strong foundation for your entire content creation journey, turning casual viewers into a loyal community that comes back for every upload. Remember, progress over perfection. Pick one secret to focus on for your next video. If you found these YouTube tips valuable, please hit that like button. It's a massive help. For more deep dives into the algorithm, monetization, and growth strategies, subscribe and ring the bell. Now, I have a question for you. Which secret will you tackle first? Let me know in the comments. I love reading your plans and offering feedback. Thank you so much for watching and investing in your channel's growth. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.